Hey friends, today we're going to look at a new program called Padlet, which we're going to be using. You might have used it before in a different class, or it could be brand new to you. But don't worry, after this video, you're all going to be pros. To start off, we've got to get to Padlet. We're going to click where it says Here. I try to make it nice and easy for you. Let's go. So here's Padlet. It's an online bulletin board where we can post our thoughts and ideas and read what everybody shares. To get started, you're going to click on the plus sign down in the bottom right. Now you can give a title to what your message is going to be. I like for the title to be your name. That way I know who said it. So I'm going to type in Miss Ross. And now I'm going to write something. Remember, when writing on Padlet, you want to make sure that you stay on topic. This Padlet is all about how you're feeling about virtual learning so far. So even if you have a really cute puppy, I don't want to hear about it unless it has something to do with that puppy helping your virtual learning experience. Maybe you've had a really awesome virtual learning experience. You might want to type that in. For instance, I am really loving Miss Ross's videos. Perhaps that's what you want to share. So that's what you're going to write. And that's it. You've posted it. Now, when somebody else hops onto Padlet, they can read what I've wrote. They can also like it and add a comment. Make sure your comments are school appropriate, uplifting, and helpful. You can agree with people, ask questions. All of those are appropriate things to do in the comment section. And that's it. That's Padlet. Pretty easy, right? So get started posting. I can't wait to read what you guys said.